Android Authority, what is going on? My name is Kevin the Tech Ninja, and this is tips and tricks for the Moto X. Alright, let's begin. The very first tip that I have for you is how to keep your Moto X unlocked when connected to Bluetooth. If you use a pattern lock or a pin, then there is a feature that can speed up the unlocking of the devices. Go into Settings, Security, and choose Trusted Devices. And from here, you can pick and choose which Bluetooth devices are trusted. So now the Moto X won't lock when you are in your car that has Bluetooth or if you're using wireless headphones. The next tip is how to control the active notifications. One of my favorite features of the Moto X is the active notification control. This feature only lights up the needed pixels to show the notification. When the screen is lit, press and hold on the middle icon. It could be a lock or it could be your notification. When you have an active alert, you slide your finger up to view the details, slide your finger to the right or to the left to dismiss it, or slide down to do a simple unlock. Alright, let's talk about the battery for a moment. The screen is an AMOLED screen, which means the black pixels are actually off, so it uses less power. So if you find darker wallpapers or dark apps, you will see a small boost in battery life. Also, let's not forget the Moto X has a built-in battery saver feature as well. Go into Settings, Battery, and you'll see Battery Saver on the top. When your battery drops to 15%, the saver launches to disable background data and reduce the screen brightness and timeout. Keep these two tips in your back pocket when you're out and about and you don't have a charger nearby. I already spoke about one of the main features of the Moto X. Well, this is the second feature of the Moto X. This is the touchless control. We're going to talk about how to fine-tune it to ensure it always works. When programming touchless control, it requires you to say, "Okay Google now," 3 times. Some users have been reporting issues understanding their voices. A resolution is when you're programming your "Okay Google now" statements, move the phone different distances from your face. What I did was I recorded one about 4 inches from my mouth, one at 6 inches, and lastly, as crazy as it sounds, one about 2 feet away. That way, when I have the phone on my coffee table, I can shout, "Okay Google now," and it responds. This tip can also apply if you're frequently in areas with high background noise. You can record each "Okay Google now" in a different location. If you're setting up "Okay Google now" and you back out, it remains in your notification bar, so you can return to it when you're in a different location. The Moto X camera is a disappointment, but there are a few things you can do to improve the quality. It's a big chance that HDR is turned off. Let's understand what HDR is for a moment. HDR takes multiple shots at different exposure levels and uses software to combine pictures into one image. However, any shots that has motion, HDR is not a proper method of shooting. So make sure you turn off HDR with any action shots. And after speaking with a few other Moto X users, using post-processing filters and also the tools that come in the gallery can make the image look a whole lot better. You are also able to try out different camera applications on the Play Store, and you may have a better chance of capturing images that way. The last tip that I have for you today is the Moto Assist. Moto Assist is a software suite that is included with the Moto X. It is designed to automatically change your phone settings depending on different conditions like driving, meeting, and sleeping. To turn it on, head into the application and select Assist. When setting up the driving profile, it uses the phone's GPS to check you are driving. If you confirm you are driving, then the profile kicks into play. You can set it to read back SMS and to kick back a message to the sender. Same goes with the meeting. It looks at your calendar, and if you have the option to make your phone silent, it kicks back a message. Also, there is an additional setting that if the person calls back twice, then that call becomes urgent and it will buzz through. Sleep mode simply puts the phone in silent between certain times. With the meeting and sleeping options, you can also set up VIPs, and these are starred contacts that you have set up in your Google account. And this concludes the Tech Ninja's tips and tricks for the Moto X. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel and drop us a like while you're at it. And go ahead and put down your favorite tip or trick for the Moto X. As always, my name is Kevin the Tech Ninja. You can find me on YouTube and Google+, and we are Android Authority, your source for all things Android. Take care.